My name is Thomas France. I'm a machinist at Merrill. I run a 5-axis machine. I started out 27 years ago. I was a driver for a shop, and I watched blocks come in, blocks come out as something, and it was neat. Then I told the boss I wanted to run a machine, and put me on a machine. And when that happened, I knew it was for me. What is the most challenging is looking at a job, coming up with a process, watching it work all the way through, and then when it's done, it's done. Everything works good, and that's the best it can be. What I enjoy the most about my job is the people I work with. It's great. Everybody's nice. Everybody gets along. What I enjoy the most about my day-to-day is all the different jobs I work on. Every day is different. Every week's different. It's very rarely the same thing over and over. What's unique about being a machinist is, what makes being a machinist unique about me is I enjoy the challenge. Everything's a challenge, whether it's how fast you get it done, how accurate it is. Why I would recommend people to pursue a career in machining. I enjoy machining. Machining is going to be around for a long time. It's never going to go away. There's always a chance to make decent money. You have to enjoy your job.